It's Emily here. I'm out at the farm right now, and it's actually getting kind of dark. It's really weird. I had a couple of people say that they thought it'd be cool if they could see, like, maybe if the pigs had a reaction with the eclipse. So I'm out here. I got my goggles. I think so we're about 60 miles away from the path of totality. So we're really not that far. As you can tell, it's getting kind of dark. And I just looked up before I started my video, and it looks pretty close to being all the way gone. Somebody said they thought 105 was when it was supposed to get pretty dark here. Like I said, it looks like we're actually pretty close to being fully shaded, but so far I don't think the pigs really care. Uh-oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you. They're just all being lazy, which honestly, it's not really any different than normal. I've got the kitties that are being a little bit clingy, and the chickens out here. We actually had a sow have babies, if you can tell over there, overnight. So I guess maybe the eclipse kind of kicked her into labor. But anyway, so I'm not really sure how this works. If I put my glasses, so there's what is the sun? Can you? Nope, I don't see anything. Do you? Anyway, it's getting kind of dark. It's weird. But the pigs don't really appear to be acting any different. The chickens are kind of following me around. That's weird. Maybe they don't understand what's going on. Got lots of little guys on hand right now. All sorts of little ones. Bama, we are about 60 miles away from the totality area, so I don't think we'll actually see totality. But I mean, it's getting kind of dark. It's really weird. There's these guys. We are a little bit cloudy. I don't think it's really taking too much away from it though. So since we are like 60 miles away, I don't know how dark it's actually going to get. And like I tried earlier to see if you guys could see the eclipse, like through my glasses, through the phone, and it didn't really look like it was gonna work. Yeah, the roosters won't ever shut up. Oh wait, there is that it? No, I don't think that's it. I think that's a reflection. Yeah, I don't know how to show you guys the actual eclipse, but it looks pretty cool. Going back to the roosters, I had seen somebody post that, oh, you know, your animals will all act really weird. Your roosters will crow in the middle of the day, and I was like, my roosters crow all the time, so I don't know what's different about that. Any time of the day, they're crowing. What do you guys think? Is it weird? Another thing people talk to me about is how I talk to the pigs, and I call them kiddos and such. Guys, these are my babies. Ooh, it's getting a little bit darker. Oh, that might be because the cloud's going over it. Yeah, ours crow nonstop all day too, so I don't know what is it with this myth that roosters only crow in the morning. It's totally not true. Like I said, as of right now, I think the chickens are having the most issue with the solar eclipse. Hey, I can't see the sun anymore. I don't know if it's because of the cloud cover, but through the glasses I can't see the sun. I would take more chickens, Bama, but something seems to always find them for a snack. I think these aren't all of them. We've got another, how many is there? 2, 4, 6, 7. We've probably got another 5 or so. What time is it? It's 12:57. So I know that the totality in Grand Island, which is the TV station, like our local TV station that we had, they said their totality was supposed to be at 12:58. The sky looks really blue. So maybe that's what we're seeing right now. Like I said, we do have quite a bit of cloud cover, as you can tell. But yeah, as of right now, I can't see the sun through the glasses, and I don't know if that's because of the clouds or what. I do think it's getting darker though. Yeah, the big guys are just kind of sleeping. Like, that's how they normally act during the day. Maybe they'd be eating a little bit more. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But the little kids they're up and about. So Caden is actually at work. I had half a mind to ask if he wanted me to come over to Smith Center so that we could watch it together. Can you guys see the clouds out there? And there's pink, kind of like, you know what, at dusk. But anyway, I'd asked Caden if I kind of thought about going over there, and then he said, no, you should take a live video, and see if the pigs act any different. I don't think they're acting any different. Kind of goes along with the thing of, you saw those Facebook posts saying, you need to make sure that your animals don't look up at the sun, and then people retaliating saying that humans are the only ones actually stupid enough to stare at the sun. So if I had to buy glasses for every single one of my pigs, yeah, that's a little bit ridiculous. I'd go along with the fact that humans are the only ones stupid enough to actually stare at the sun. I still can't decide if I can't see the sun because of the clouds through the glasses or what the deal is. I've got chickens trying to eat a bee. That's kind of funny. Chickens, yep. We actually just weaned some of these guys over the weekend. So they're trying to still get used to the digs. I would say that the cats are being extra clingy, but this guy's always clingy, aren't you? Since we just weaned some of these guys, they're a little bit more antsy. They get less spookish as they get older. Hi, babies. Hi, guys. We've got all sorts of Burks and Burke crosses in here. Well, it's 1:04. If whatever my sources were correct about when our most dark time is supposed to be, it's supposed to be right about now. Oh, it looks to me I can see the sun again through the glasses. So I think we're on the other side of the eclipse now. It didn't get as dark as I imagined, but it still was kind of weird. So my review of how the animals acted with the eclipse was that I don't think they acted any different. Well, I hope that wherever you guys are, that you get to maybe have a little bit of fun with the eclipse. and that your Monday has been going better than mine. Have a good week, everybody. We'll see you later.